Medical laboratory technology, role and ethics, laboratory or hematology. In this article, we will discuss about introduction and role of medical laboratory technology, ethics and responsibilities of a medical laboratory technologist. Introduction and role of medical laboratory technology. Medical laboratory science is an umbrella field comprising a number of different disciplines. The major disciplines departments of medical laboratory sciences include clinical chemistry, hematology, histopathology, medical microbiology. The major role of a medical laboratory is to assist in the diagnosis and treatment of the diseases by performing qualitative, quantitative, or screening test procedures or examinations on materials derived from the human body. The laboratory plays a vital role in the overall comprehensive healthcare system by confirming provisional diagnosis of the clinician, ruling out the diagnosis, detecting diseases, regulating therapy. In recent times, the increased demand on the laboratory has led to the introduction of more specialized and sophisticated procedures, including automation and computerization. The medical laboratory science practitioner of today must, of necessity, be theoretically sound and practically effective in his selective discipline. Ethics, responsibilities, and ethics of medical laboratory technologists. Work scientifically and with complete non-honesty. Do not misuse your professional skills or knowledge for personal gains. Never take anything from your place of work that doesn't belong to you. Treat with utmost confidentiality and personal information that you may learn about a patient. Respect and work in harmony with the other members of your hospital, staff, or health center team. Be at all times courteous and patient and considerate to the sick and their relations. Do not drink alcohol during laboratory working hours or when on emergency standby. Use equipment and laboratory wear correctly and with care. As a medical lab technologist, medical lab technologists are the vital healthcare professionals providing laboratory information from laboratory analysis that assist physicians and other healthcare professionals in patient diagnosis and treatment, as well as in disease monitoring or prevention. Medical laboratory technologists' practice includes the ability to produce accurate laboratory data on a variety of tissue specimens, blood samples, and other body fluids, like spinal cord fluid, spinal fluid, cerebrospinal fluid, pleural fluid, ascitic fluid, using sophisticated biomedical instruments and techniques with the application of theoretical knowledge that aid in detecting cancer, heart attacks, diabetes, infectious mononucleosis, and also the identification of bacteria and viruses that cause infections, as well as in detecting drugs of abuse. It also includes the quality management of equipment and samples, which is an important aspect of the profession to ensure accurate, reliable results for patient safety. Laboratory testing encompasses such disciplines as clinical chemistry, clinical genetics, cytology, hematology, immunology, immunohematology, microbiology, molecular biology, and transfusion medicine. National competency requirements. Each certified discipline competency profile outlines the theoretical and practical education, knowledge, skills, and judgment required of an MLT in Nova Scotia to provide safe, competent, and ethical medical laboratory testing. Definition of registered or licensed MLT. The college may register a MLT as the active practicing MLT who produces evidence approved by the board that the person successfully completed an accredited Canadian MLT program and the national approved MLT exam, deemed equivalent through a prior learning assessment evaluation by the Canadian Society for Medical Laboratory Scientists (CSMLS) and successful on the national exam, or is registered as the equivalent of a registered MLT in good standing in another jurisdiction in Canada, and is of good character, complies with the NLC MLT legislation with respect to registration. Only registered MLTs in Nova Scotia may use the title Medical Laboratory Technologist, MLT, or any other word, title, or designation abbreviated or otherwise imply the person is a member.